you, Right Worshipful Brother John A. Bridegroom, duly elected and ready to be installed and proclaimed Grand Master of Masons in Indiana.
I'll call for the first lesson.
In that night did God appear unto Solomon and said unto him, Ask what I shall give thee. And Solomon said unto God, Thou hast showed great mercy unto David my father, and hast made me reign in his stead. Now, O Lord God, let thy promise unto David my father be established. For thou hast made me king over a people like the dust of the earth in multitude. Give me now wisdom and knowledge, that I might go out and come in before the people. For who can judge this thy people that is so great?
Right Worshipful Brother, by the voice of your brethren, you have been selected to occupy the highest and most exalted position in Freemasonry, an office which carries with it the power and authority to govern the craft without dictation or pressure from any source. By immemorial usage and the irrevocable landmarks of Masonry, you are invested as Grand Master of Masons with powers and prerogatives well nigh absolute, yet this office carries with it tremendous responsibilities. In the volume of sacred law it is written, Unto whomsoever much is given, of him shall be much required. And to whom men have committed much, of him will they ask the more. Thus, you will not only rule and govern, but you must be the servant of all. Upon your shoulders will rest the grave responsibility of seeing that peace and harmony prevail at all times, that the ancient landmarks, customs, and usages of the craft are carefully preserved, that no innovations are allowed to interrupt the peace and good fellowship which must prevail in the fraternity, if it is to continue to command the trust and respect of all men everywhere. From our knowledge of your zeal and ability, we feel confident that you will discharge the duties of this important station in such a manner as will greatly redound to you your own honor, as well as to the goodwill and prosperity of the craft which you are now to govern. It now but remains for you to be clothed with the insignia of your rank and authority. The genuine pleasure, therefore, we invest you with the jewel of your office, the square and compass, whose symbolic meaning will have new and striking significance to you. And now, most worshipful sir, permit me to conduct you to your chair, where you will assume the gavel of authority and enter upon the discharge of those important duties which now devolve upon you, and may the Father of light, life, and love invest you with his choicest gifts. He did that. For the Grand Marshal, you will make proclamation.
In the name and under the auspices of the most worshipful Grand Lodge of the ancient and honorable fraternity of free and accepted Masons of the state of Indiana, I hereby proclaim our most worshipful brother, John A. Bridegroom, Grand Master of Masons in Indiana, on this, the 20th day of May, AD 2026, AL 6026, and in the year of sovereignty of this Grand Lodge, the 209th.
Most worshipful Grand Master, behold your Grand Lodge. Brethren, behold your Grand Master. Join me in honoring him with grand honors, 3 times 3, taking your cue from me. You're in charge now. Would you like me to continue?
Most worshipful brother installing officer, please continue.
Brethren, join me in singing the installation ode.